Yes, ma'am. I'm supposed to pick up my firearm. Okay. Dial what again? 147 on the phone. Okay, thank you. What did you say that number again was? 147? I put it in backwards. Thank you. Yes, I'm here to pick up some of my property. Corey Smith. Yes, sir. 2312083. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this lady's crazy.
Yeah.
That's what's the person.
Yours are
Yeah. Yeah, that's how they make it. So you did, yeah, probably did. I know, but I didn't see the lady.
That's the only girl I seen her over by the courthouse before. This girl walking, so I know.
Little short Mexican lady.
Mm-hmm. That wouldn't be her.
Say she can't speak English or something.
The one I got in, she just acting like she can't speak it.
Yeah,
A lot of people play that game.
that's what she probably can.
Yeah, she plays that game, you know.
Probably can.
Well, how did he understand that she needed a ride?
It was on Noble Street,
I
walking.
mean, how did she tell him that she needed a ride?
I guess she asked him, she was walking limping.
But she can't speak English, I think.
That's what she probably could.
Yeah, that ones don't sound like they do to you.
Not
Has
her.
he ever given,
Not her. I don't even know her.
has he ever given people rides like that?
Yeah, we get people.
Oh, he just likes having them.
Yeah.
Well, you can't do
You
that.
can't, I was just about to say, you can't have that right.
Oh, I do that.
You can't have that right, get right.
Oh,
People mean,
another kid, you know?
mean.
I can't believe how this works out, you know? Maybe I was just young and didn't realize it.
Yeah, every day, you,
It wasn't like that.
it wasn't like it, that people mean now that.
And if you have conversation, you know, talk to
So,
them.
yeah, no, people mean now that, yeah,
You know,
yeah, people mean now that. The world is just
I
mean.
mean, they just, like,
Yeah.
Like my lady got me for doctor bars and rice. She cuts me, I cuss her back, cause I give them food, and no cigarettes to give them. They're supposed to be good stuff for them before I'm not a month, right? And I couldn't keep affording it, and she got mad at me over it.
That's what I'm saying.
They said my dog, they fed my dog. Of course, they fed the dog was on hooping anymore, you know?
Yeah.
And she told me, said, I said, what are you, shit, it's pet drag, you know, it's my dog, there's a bunch of dogs running around, you know?
It's a lot of dogs.
She said, cause it's little, I said, you should shit. But I went to jail, you know, for that, I was at large in harassment, and she cussed me first.
Oh my goodness.
It was a week later, they knocked on my door at 12 o'clock at night, I didn't have no shoes on, I was tripping out. But she didn't show up for cover, though. I mean, everybody was after her, all my friends and stuff, they were pissed off. I mean, that's crazy. She didn't find fault with what she did.
It's a lot of mentally ill people.
Yeah, and it's dangerous, you know?
God.
They need to, I mean, go somewhere where they all together, rather than,
We go home.
you know what I'm saying?
For real. God.
I mean, if you're that possible, just go out, make a wound somebody for no reason, and you don't know who first. I want him to drink across that thing so bad. You wouldn't believe, you know it. But then she tried to speak to me later. I thought, let me alone. I don't even like people like you. You know,
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, if you ain't straightforward, I don't mind.
Thank you. Honey.
You don't like to be supposed to be with you.
No. I'll stay to myself.
Ask me. I stay in, and I swear the devil will come through that phone line for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be alright. She's straight since we did.
It's just the point. She gotta get all that stuff over.
She's gonna be fine.
She gotta get her social security numbers and all that.
She can drop quick.
The lady probably thought it was money in that wallet.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
She probably thought it was money. It
Her
was-
debit card, was she?
It was nothing but, social security numbers and
That's
stuff.
fine.
Yeah, that's what she thought.
But still, you know, like, I don't know what you do with these people. They said they got a black market, and they got a pill price going around, where they can make pills, and they put that fentanyl.
No, and then all that.
You know, they put fentanyl
I
on
know.
it, and they're dropping it, I have to raise her, I call her, my daughter, she lives in apartments in Jacksonville, and somebody used a prop art, and she's at home, her whole time was at work, and said they dropped $1 bill, and they put fentanyl on it. I didn't know they was doing that shit to her, you know?
That's
What was that
a
fentanyl doing if you touch it? I didn't know.
kill you. It all depends. It all depends.
So, you know, I always be careful, you know, listen, ladies.
Oh,
I don't even know where my medicine is. I had it on the kitchen, so I'm secured going places.
Yeah, it always, I don't even use medicine no more.
Mr. Smith,
Right here.
just need to get a copy of that. I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Did my medicine ever come back, or, you know, Julia
What's your
Barnes?
name, man?
Julia Barnes.
Not that I know of.
All right,
I can check on you in just a few minutes.
All right.
Just a few minutes.
I don't be trying to get, and it's just what, January, what, 9th? It's first.
I said, call the pharmacy. They said, Martin's there on the clock. And I said, well, call him. They said, he's the one that called in. I'm sorry. My car, it cost me $700. My mom gave me $1,000 off my grandma's house bill. So, right. Some told me to put $500 in my car and lock it up. I had 5 in my car and put 4 in the envelope. Thank God I had that money, you know. That 500. I've been still in jail, you know.
Good.
It cost me $700 to get out of jail for my own medicine. That's awful.
I don't know what to do, you know, about that. Oh, I know.
You know?
So you been here a minute?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's cold, I don't tell you, I'm good with it. how much longer? Oh, I didn't know. You couldn't do that.
Sir, if you want to step in
You
here for
come
me.
back later,
There you go.
Somewhat, yeah. Yeah. Right there.
All right, should be 5 rounds. Actually, replace one for you.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Okay.
All right, I think there's 2 pounds of pepper spray.
Let me just see. Let me pull them up. Okay, yeah, hold on, let me. Yeah, I think somebody else checked there, but they couldn't really find the person that owned them. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good address, but, if you can find out the exact address, it looks like it should be good.
All righty. and one pistol.
Excellent, sir.
All right, sir. Sign for 1, 2, and 3. 2A was a
See,
snack
there's
cartridge.
some prohibited locations
They
like
actually
on Noble,
got taken out. So
near 23rd Street, and it's
You'll
still
sign
kinda near
right
it,
there on
so
that.
I have to have the exact address,
Right here.
yes, sir.
cause I don't wanna tell you the wrong thing. Yeah, that's still within the circle.
All right, man. You're good to go.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have a good one now. Be safe out there.
Sure.
You can find out the exact address